Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. So we have started discussing mechanical engineering subjects material, which is very useful for your assistant engineer exam preparation. Okay, so previous classes we have discussed few things which are related to fluid mechanics and hydraulic machinery, and today's class subject is thermodynamics. In this thermodynamics we will discuss few things which will be very helpful for your preparation. So if you really if you are strong in basics, if you are strong in this fundamentals, definitely our class will be helpful for your assistant engineering examination. Okay friends, so let us start today's class. So please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel. So discuss with your friends regarding our classwork going on in our channel. Okay, so we'll start now. Okay, so our subject, as I told you, today's class is thermodynamics. Okay, thermodynamics. Okay, so apart not only these things, if you are having any doubts in other subject like your general studies, if you want any material, so post in the comments box, I will give you reply. Okay, so this is thermodynamics. So first we will start with zeroth zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, zeroth law of thermodynamics states that zeroth law of thermodynamics states that when two systems are in thermal equilibrium, when two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. They are in thermal equilibrium with each other. Okay, so thermodynamics we have started. Zeroth law of thermodynamics states that when two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. So like that, these type of questions we may expect in your examination. So if you are preparing for Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, so you have to think about the negative mark, whereas if you are preparing for Telangana State Public Service Commission, like assistant engineer and assistant executive engineer, as of now there is no negative mark. So you have to keep these points in your mind and you have to start your preparation. Okay, so next we will see work done in a polytropic process. Work done in a polytropic process. Work done in a polytropic process is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by N minus 1. Work done in a polytropic process is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by N minus 1. Next, work done in a steady flow process. Work done in a steady flow process. Work done in a steady flow process is integral of V dP. Okay. Next is heat transfer in a reversible adiabatic process. Heat transfer in a reversible heat transfer in a reversible adiabatic process. Reversible adiabatic process is zero. Work done in an isentropic process. Work done in an isentropic process is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by gamma minus 1 Okay. Next dq, we are having one relation here, that is dq is equal to du plus p dv is applicable to a perfect gas will also be true for an irreversible process. So this is the relation. Here we can write applicable to a perfect gas, applicable to a perfect gas will also be true, for an irreversible process. True for an irreversible process. Okay, irreversible process. Next, the thermodynamic parameters are thermodynamic parameters are temperature, pressure, specific volume, and enthalpy. Okay. Thermodynamic parameters are temperature, pressure, specific volume, and enthalpy. Okay, that's all friends for today's class. We will continue in our next class. Okay, so please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel. So we need your support. So with this we can make many videos of our mechanical engineering subjects, which will be very helpful for your assistant engineer examination preparation. If you are already prepared, so our classes will be helpful for your revision also. So please subscribe our channel, please like and share our channel. Apart from engineering, mechanical engineering, if you want any general studies, any other material, please post in the comments box. I will give you a reply. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.